Hey, have you heard about Hope Token? If not, don't worry. I will be till to the end of the video to give you some idea about Hope Token. Hope Token is a deflationary crypto token that allows users to maximize their profits and at the same time participate in donation programs to help people in need. Hope Token has an authentic tokenomics and a robust charitable strategy, which will ensure the holders of profit and keep the charity program running well, transparently, and accountably. Unlike other charity tokens that only use charity programs just to increase the popularity of their platform, the Hope Token is serious in managing the charity funds that have been collected. But not only that, there are still some other features of the Hope Token, such as one feature is defined categories to help. Hope tokens each month give help to defined categories. The goal is to have as much social impact as possible. Another feature is dedicated natural disaster relief fund. Hope Token will provide relief fund in case of a world emergency event such as tsunami, hurricane or others. Another great feature is charitable strategy. Hope tokens always do reviews and correction to charity strategies so that Hope tokens always follow world trends. As I just said that they have a great feature that is charity, let's have a look on the charitable roadmap of Hope Token. You are seeing that in quarter 2, they have already established charitable methodology. They have already defined charity nomination criteria, built intake form of nomination and researched large international charities. Implementation of voting and selection procedures and setting marketing benchmarks are still going. In quarter 3, they will develop a long-haul social media and outreach strategy and tap into traditional media channels. But in monthly donation categories, they have already donated $100K to save the children. They have set their donation category. For June, the category is health. For July, it is disability, and for August, it is children. In quarter 4, emergency relief fund will be voted. They have set their monthly donation in housing, poverty relief, that is on October 17th, that is International Day for the Eradication of Poverty, food and water safety, and large international charity categories in quarter 4. In quarter 1, 2022, monthly donation will be given education, refugees, women on March 8, that is Women's Day, and environment on April 22, that is Earth Day. Their charity roadmap is designed to address the widest range of social impact initiatives, but also to leverage the visibility associated with different causes every month. Furthermore, Hope Tokens aims to support large as well as medium-sized charitable organizations in their journey, understanding that they all have a place in making the world a better place. Thank you everyone for sticking with me all the way to the finish of the video.